The 2011 Hyundai Elantra GLS. Powered by a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. With the 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this front-wheel drive sedan, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Hyundai features power door locks, power steering, and front and rear side airbags. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include telescoping wheel, cruise control, and XM radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.